Alright, this is a Luguat tree, a sparrow tree. It's giving a nice bit of shade, so we've just parked here. Take a break, and I'll see if I can find some ripe ones. Morning, another beautiful morning in the real world out here, guys. Here we are this morning. Just back to this 10. Back into a bit of man-made world. The road's really busy around here, but yeah, we've got some traditional style stuff there. Yeah.